Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a completely free website using Jimdo.com. Not only will I guide you through the setup process, but I will also discuss whether this website builder is a good choice for you based on its features and ease of use. So, if you're looking for a simple way to build a website without spending any money, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in and get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to Jimdo.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the option that says Let's Get Started for Free and click on it. This will take you to the Sign Up page where you'll need to create an account. Jimdo allows you to sign up using different methods, including your Google account, Facebook, Apple account, or any other login method that suits you best. Choose the one that is most convenient for you and go ahead with the sign-up process. After successfully logging in, Jimdo will guide you through a short questionnaire to understand the type of website you want to create. This step helps Jimdo tailor the website building experience to your needs. If you have coding experience, you might prefer to take the coding route. But since this video is meant for beginners who want to create a website without writing any code, we'll be choosing the no-code option. When you see the Start Now button, go ahead and click on it to move forward. At this stage, you will be asked a series of questions related to your website. While you do have the option to skip these questions and move forward, I highly recommend taking the time to answer them. Providing this information will allow Jimdo to optimize your experience and tailor the website building process to your specific needs. For example, let's say I am creating a website for myself, and the purpose of this website is to support a brand new business that I am launching. The first thing I need to do is enter the name of my business. For this demonstration, let's go with Jane's Bow Tie. Simply type in the name of your business in the designated field and proceed to the next step. Now, let's move on to setting the goals for your website. This is an important step because it determines the primary function of your site. You will be given several options, such as promoting a physical business, showcasing your work or portfolio, enabling online bookings, or selling products directly through your site. Since my goal is to sell products online while also showcasing my work, I will go ahead and select both of these options. Next, you'll be asked whether you create the products yourself and where you offer them for sale. You will see options such as selling at craft fairs, through social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook, on marketplaces like Etsy and Amazon, or even in a physical store. Take a moment to select the choices that apply to your business and then click Continue to move on to the next step. At this point, you have the option to add photos to your website. If you want to showcase products, services, or even personal branding images, you can upload them here. This is a great way to make your website visually appealing and engaging right from the start. Additionally, Jimdo allows you to link your Instagram account, which means you can import images directly from your feed without having to upload them manually. This is especially useful if you already have a collection of high-quality images on Instagram that represent your brand. However, for now, I will skip this step and move forward. Now, it's time to select the style of your website. The overall look and feel of your website play a crucial role in how visitors perceive your brand. Jimdo offers a variety of styles to choose from, ranging from modern and minimalistic to bold and colorful. Since I want my website to have a sleek and elegant appearance, I will select a style that aligns with that vision. Once you've chosen a style, the next step is to pick a color scheme that best represents your brand. Colors can greatly influence the mood and personality of your website, so it's important to choose a combination that fits your aesthetic. After browsing through the available options, I found a color scheme that I really like, so I will go ahead and select it. At this stage, Jimdo will generate website templates based on all the selections you've made so far. These templates provide a structured layout, making it easy to organize your content without needing to design everything from scratch. You will now see 2 suggested templates displayed on your screen. From here, you can either choose one of the templates or opt to start from scratch. If you have the time and want full control over every detail, starting from scratch could be a great choice. However, using a pre-made template is much faster and more convenient, especially if you want to get your website up and running quickly. After looking at the options, I found a template that I really like, so I will go ahead and select it before continuing to the next step. Now, it's time to select a domain name for your website. Your domain name is essentially your website's address on the internet, so it's important to choose something that is simple, memorable, and relevant to your brand or business. Jimdo provides free domain options, which are perfectly suitable for personal websites, small businesses, or startups that don't yet need a custom domain. If you prefer a custom domain, for example, something with a .com extension or your unique brand name, you always have the option to purchase one separately and connect it to your Jimdo site. One important thing to keep in mind is that while Jimdo allows you to create a free website, it does not offer free e-commerce stores. This means that if you want to sell products directly through your website, you will need to upgrade to a paid plan. However, if you want to avoid the cost of an e-commerce subscription, you can still sell online by linking an external store to your Jimdo website. For example, you can connect an Ecwid or Shopify store, which allows you to manage your products and transactions separately while still maintaining a professional online presence. Now that everything is set up, my website is being built. The system will take a few moments to generate the final version based on all the settings and preferences I selected earlier. Let's wait for it to fully load, and once it's ready, we'll take a look at the finished site. Once your template is fully loaded, you can now start customizing it to fit your brand and personal style. One of the great things about Jimdo is its user-friendly editor, which makes it incredibly easy to modify different elements of your website. You don't need any technical skills. Just click on any section you want to edit, and a white toolbox will appear. From here, you can change the text, adjust the alignment, modify font styles, or even add formatting elements like bold, italics, or underline text. If you need to include lists for better organization or insert links to direct visitors to other pages, you can do that as well. Now, let's customize the header of the website. To do this, click on Show Elements. This section allows you to make changes to key aspects of your site's header, including the logo, primary button, and header text. You can also take advantage of Jimdo's built-in social media integration by linking your accounts from platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn. This is a great way to connect with your audience across different channels and drive more traffic to your website. Next, let's move on to the navigation bar. If you want to change its appearance or design, navigate to the Block Design section. Here, you can modify the layout, adjust spacing, and choose a new background color to match your website's overall theme. Since I personally prefer a solid black navigation bar for a clean and professional look, I will apply that setting and then click Done to save the changes. Now, let's look at how to add new content to your website. If you want to insert a new section, simply hover your mouse over an existing section, and you'll see an Add Block button appear. Clicking on it will allow you to choose from a variety of pre-designed content blocks, including cover blocks, about sections, news sections, text blocks, image blocks, slideshows, and more. For this example, I'm going to add a text block to the page. To do this, I'll select a simple text block, click on it, and start typing my content directly into the editor. You can further enhance and customize each block on your website by making adjustments to its colors, styles, and text formatting. This allows you to create a unique and visually appealing design that aligns with your brand's identity. If you need to rearrange sections or fine-tune your layout, click on the three dots in the block toolbar. This will bring up several options, allowing you to move, duplicate, or delete a specific section with just a few clicks. Additionally, Jimdo gives you the ability to insert different types of media elements into your blocks. You can easily upload images, embed videos, or add interactive buttons to improve user engagement. For example, if you want to encourage visitors to support your cause, you can add a donate button. If you're running a business or a blog, you might want to include a newsletter sign-up button to collect emails and keep your audience updated. Play around with these elements and adjust their placement until your design looks polished and professional. For making site-wide design changes, click on the Design option in the main menu. This section allows you to modify key visual elements such as the overall color theme, font set, and button styles. If you want your website to have a consistent and cohesive look, it's best to apply these global design settings before publishing. That way, all of your pages will follow the same aesthetic, creating a more professional and visually appealing experience for visitors. Once you are completely satisfied with the design and layout of your website, it's time to make it live. Simply click on the Publish button and your website will be available for the world to see. Now, your website is live. Let's wait for it to load. Jimdo websites look professional and are easy to build, even if you have no prior experience. However, if you are planning to sell products online, keep in mind that free Jimdo sites do not include e-commerce features. To sell products, you will need to upgrade to a paid plan or use a separate e-commerce platform and link it to your website. Looking at Jimdo's pricing plans, the free plan includes all basic features and a Jimdo subdomain. If you want an ad-free website with a custom domain, the plan starts at $9 per month. The Grow plan at $9 per month includes search engine optimization, social marketing, and priority support. For e-commerce, the basic shop plan costs $9 per month and includes all essential store features. The business plan at $11 per month includes product variants, social marketing, and social selling features. If you prefer a completely free e-commerce platform, I recommend using Ecwid. You can build an online store for free on Ecwid and link it to your Jimdo website. That's how you create a free website using Jimdo. Thank you for watching.